wasn't holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to India, is that right? Your keyboard is set to English, India. Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one? Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.